Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Wednesday, the 5th of March. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. I want to add some color on the equities front, on what we spoke about in yesterday's podcast, i.e. the emerging narrative that there is stagflation risk in the US economy. Over the last couple of sessions, we saw S&P 500 approaching the key support level at 5,773. So where are we at in terms of positioning and risk levels? Well, the good news for risky assets is that the unwinding of major risk bellwethers has been done to a large extent. So for example, the allocations of CTA or trend following funds has now unwound to near zero risk level for assets such as US equities. However, there is the negative gamma environment for the dealers. In layman's terms, due to the need to hedge their equity derivative positions, the dealers would need to sell futures further when the market drops, which exacerbated the sell-off last week and earlier this week. That stays an overhang in the near term, especially with the looming non-farm payroll number this coming Friday. Such negative gamma is more persistent in the high-growth stocks because equity momentum funds typically hold higher weights on these stocks, and a number of these growth stocks have broken below key support levels lately. A return to longer-term averages could see equity momentum funds losing another 10% of exposure across tech, consumer discretionary, and communication services sectors. Technically, the 5,600 to 5,800 zone is an important level of support for S&P 500. It is likely that US equities will settle around this area. The next 2 weeks will be critical, with the aforementioned non-farm payroll figure this Friday, as well as the upcoming US CPI data release. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details, visit Market Views on the Go on our website or click the link in the description.